Welcome to our countdown of the 10 most bizarre animals you won't believe exist. From regenerating salamanders to unicorns of the sea, these creatures are sure to amaze you. Join me as we journey across the globe, from the lush rainforests to the deepest ocean trenches, to encounter these extraordinary marvels of evolution. Prepare to be astounded by nature's boundless creativity and the incredible adaptations that allow these animals to thrive in their unique environments. Our first creature takes us to the eastern United States and Canada, home to the remarkable star-nosed mole. This subterranean dweller may appear ordinary at first glance, but don't be fooled. Its most extraordinary feature is undoubtedly its nose. This isn't just any nose, it's adorned with 22 fleshy appendages, resembling a starburst of pink fingers. These sensitive tentacles are far more critical to the mole's survival than its rudimentary eyes. They're covered in thousands of sensory receptors called Imer's organs, allowing the mole to see its surroundings in complete darkness, and it does so with astonishing speed. The star-nosed mole can identify and consume prey in a mere fraction of a second, a mere blink of an eye for us. That makes it the undisputed champion of touch-based hunting in the entire animal kingdom. Our next stop takes us to the arid heart of Australia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung straight from a mythical tale, the thorny dragon. This remarkable lizard is a master of camouflage, its sandy coloration blending seamlessly with the outback landscape. But should a predator approach, the thorny dragon has a few tricks up its scaly sleeve. Its entire body is covered in sharp, thorny scales, a formidable defense against any would-be attacker. But its most intriguing adaptation lies in its ability to collect water in one of the driest environments on Earth. The thorny dragon's skin is a marvel of natural engineering, covered in a network of tiny channels that act like miniature aqueducts. When dew or rainwater lands on its body, these channels funnel the precious liquid directly to the lizard's mouth, ensuring its survival in this unforgiving terrain. Our journey now takes us to the island of Madagascar, a treasure trove of unique and endangered wildlife. Here, shrouded in the emerald embrace of the rainforest, dwells the aye-aye, a creature so peculiar that it has captivated and bewildered observers for centuries. With its bat-like ears, piercing yellow eyes, and an unsettlingly long and skeletal middle finger, the aye-aye seems to have been pieced together from the spare parts of other animals. But there's a brilliant method to this apparent madness. The aye-aye is a nocturnal primate, a specialist in extracting grubs from the depths of trees. Its oversized ears pick up the faintest sounds of insect larvae tunneling through wood. Then, its elongated middle finger comes into play. This extraordinary digit is incredibly dexterous, tapping on the tree trunk to pinpoint the grub's location. Once found, the aye-aye uses its sharp teeth to gnaw a hole in the wood and then, with surgical precision, extracts the unsuspecting grub with its long, bony finger. From the tropical rainforest, we plunge into the icy depths of the Pacific Ocean, where we encounter a creature so bizarre it was initially believed to be a hoax. Here, in the perpetual darkness surrounding hydrothermal vents, lives the Yeti crab, a crustacean named after the mythical Himalayan beast due to its hairy appearance. But don't be fooled, those aren't hairs, but rather dense mats of bacteria that coat the crab's claws, giving them a furry appearance. These bacteria are not just for show. The Yeti crab thrives in an environment that would be lethal to most other life forms. Hydrothermal vents spew out superheated water laced with toxic chemicals. The bacteria on the Yeti crab's claws have adapted to utilize these chemicals as a source of energy, creating a symbiotic relationship. The crab provides a home for the bacteria, and in return, the bacteria provide the crab with sustenance in this otherwise barren environment. Our next destination takes us back to the lush rainforests of Central and South America, home to a creature that embodies the phrase "seeing is believing." Imagine, if you will, a frog so translucent that you can see its beating heart, its pulsating intestines, even the food it ate just moments ago, all through its skin. This, my friends, is the glass frog, a marvel of camouflage and evolutionary ingenuity. But how does a vertebrate achieve such an incredible feat of transparency? The answer lies in the unique structure of its skin. Unlike most frogs, the glass frog has very few pigment cells, allowing light to pass through it with minimal scattering. Furthermore, the internal organs are arranged in a way that minimizes their visibility from below, further enhancing its transparency. This remarkable adaptation provides the glass frog with exceptional camouflage, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the leaves and avoid detection by predators. From the rainforest canopy, we descend to the arid plains of central Argentina, where we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung straight from a child's storybook, the pink fairy armadillo. This miniature marvel is the smallest armadillo species on Earth, measuring a mere 4 inches long, small enough to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Its most striking feature, aside from its diminutive size, is its rosy pink shell. This shell, unlike that of its larger relatives, is not firmly attached to its body, but is connected by a thin membrane along its spine. This flexible connection allows the pink fairy armadillo to curl up into a near-perfect pink ball when threatened, protecting its soft underbelly from predators. Sadly, these enchanting creatures are becoming increasingly rare due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Our journey now takes us to the icy Arctic waters, where we encounter a creature as mythical as it is real, the narwhal. This enigmatic whale has captivated the imaginations of sailors and storytellers for centuries, earning it the moniker unicorn of the sea due to its most prominent feature, a single, spiraled tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long. This tusk, however, is not a horn, but rather an elongated canine tooth that protrudes from the left side of the upper jaw, spiraling forward in a graceful arc. For centuries, the purpose of this remarkable tusk remained a mystery, but recent research suggests it's a sensory organ of extraordinary sensitivity. The tusk is riddled with millions of tiny pores connected to nerve endings, allowing the narwhal to detect changes in water pressure, salinity, and even the presence of prey. Our next encounter takes us to the steppes of Central Asia, where we encounter a creature whose unusual appearance has earned it comparisons to extraterrestrial beings, the Saiga antelope. This critically endangered antelope possesses a face that is, to put it mildly, unforgettable. Its most striking feature is its large, bulbous nose, which hangs over its mouth like an inflatable appendage. This unusual proboscis is far more than just a bizarre facial feature. It serves a vital role in the saiga's survival in the harsh, dusty environments it calls home. The large nasal passages filter out dust and dirt during the antelope's seasonal migrations, preventing respiratory problems. Furthermore, the nose acts as a thermoregulator, warming frigid air in the winter and cooling hot air in the summer before it reaches the lungs. We descend once more into the inky blackness of the deep sea, this time to depths rarely witnessed by human eyes, to encounter a creature that seems to have flown straight out of a Disney film, the Dumbo octopus. This adorable cephalopod gets its name from its resemblance to the beloved Disney elephant, thanks to its 2 large, ear-like fins that protrude from its mantle just above its eyes. But these fins are not just for show. The Dumbo octopus is a master of deep-sea acrobatics, using its ear-like fins to fly gracefully through the water, propelling itself with pulsating movements. It lives at depths of up to 13,000 feet, making it one of the deepest living octopus species. Down here in this alien world, devoid of sunlight, the Dumbo octopus survives by feeding on small crustaceans and worms, using its webbed arms to trap its prey. Our final destination takes us to the ancient waterways of Mexico, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy the very laws of nature, the axolotl. This enigmatic amphibian is a type of salamander, but unlike its terrestrial cousins, the axolotl never fully metamorphoses into an adult form. Instead, it retains its juvenile characteristics throughout its entire life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This means that the axolotl keeps its feathery gills, which sprout from its head like a crown of delicate branches, and remains a water-dwelling creature for its entire life. But perhaps the most astonishing aspect of the axolotl is its incredible regenerative abilities. If this extraordinary creature loses a limb, it can regrow it perfectly, with no scarring whatsoever. It can even regenerate internal organs, a feat unmatched by any other vertebrate. As our journey through the animal kingdom concludes, we're reminded of the incredible diversity and wonder that exists in even the most remote corners of our planet. From the star-nosed mole's supersonic senses to the axolotl's regenerative prowess, these bizarre and beautiful creatures highlight the boundless creativity of evolution. Which of these animals surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing animal facts.